So it's winter here in LA, and that means I love Plaid. Welcome to Nail Apparel on Guru Hub, where nails are the main accessory here. I'm Julie, and I'm super excited to show you the nails that we're going to do today. So it's winter here in LA, and something I love to see in the winter is plaid. It's a neutral pattern, and when you do it in classic colors, it just goes with everything and it looks beautiful. So that's what we're going to do on our nails today. So anytime you're doing your nails, and I mean every single time you're doing your nails, you always want to start with a base coat. Base coat is going to protect your nails from staining, and it's going to help adhere the nail polish a little bit better. So after you finish your base coat and your nails are all dry, then you're going to go in with your red nail polish. And always make sure you do 2 coats of your color because you want to make sure that it's really opaque. Alright, so now that we've finished painting our nails this beautiful red, we're going to go in with our black stripes first. And the key to plaid is to make sure that your lines are a little bit see-through so you can see them overlap. So I'm going to take this opaque black nail polish and I'm going to put a little bit on some parchment paper here. And I'm actually going to mix it with base coat so that it's a little bit see-through instead of being so opaque. And then you're just going to take a long striping brush and paint 3 vertical lines. And once those are dry, you're going to paint 3 horizontal lines. You want to make sure you leave a little space in between them so you can put your white lines between those. Now we're going to go in with our white lines, and this is a sheer white polish, so I don't need to mix it with clear or anything, but if you only have opaque white, just make sure you mix it so that you can still see through it. And then with that same striping brush, you just want to paint 2 vertical lines in between those black lines, and the same with the horizontal lines. Then with just the tip of this brush, you're going to take your white paint, and you're going to make a really thin vertical and horizontal line kind of in that red space that's just empty. So once you finish your design, instead of using a shiny top coat, we want it to look like fabric, so we're going to go in with a matte top coat to make it look as dull as my life. And since it looks like I got dressed in the dark this morning, let's go pick out an outfit that really makes these nails stand out. Too summery. I don't really like feathers. And this is definitely too boring. And I don't remember buying this, so... yeah, this could work.
Go.
Well, I had so much fun doing these plaid nails and picking out an outfit to match them, but what do you guys think? I can't wait for next week to do a whole nother nail look and a whole new outfit. I'll see you then on Nail Apparel, only on Guru Hub.